So today I'm changing the turbo out on my 2004 6.0 Powerstroke F350. I mean, you can see that looks kind of fine and all fine and dandy and that kind of stuff, but if you look at this turbo, this wheel is like a little stuck, but it barely spins. Just sits in one place. I don't know what happened, if it's a snap shaft or what, but I got a new turbo that I'm going to change it out with, and it's an 03 turbo. And if you don't know why the 03 turbo is so desirable, it's because it spools louder. It's probably performance wise not any better. I don't really care about that, but it's like has a louder whistle, and like if you know, you know. And I specifically went to the junkyard, made sure like the production date of the truck was like 02, off an 02 truck. It was 12 of 02. So I pulled that off, and let's go take a look at it. All right, so here's my 03 turbo. It kind of looks a little different. I removed the silencer ring. It's no big deal though. But what's so special about it, well, I gotta throw my actuator in there too. So I don't know if that's even gonna work without the original actuator. What's so special about it is it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since it's a 10-blade turbo, it's gonna make way louder spooling noises when it spools up, blah blah blah. I don't know if it's any different performance wise, probably not. Whatever, I don't really care. It's gonna sound awesome. So let's get started and start pulling this old turbo off. That's not a good turbo. That's junk. Throw it out. I mean, the shaft isn't snapped. The turbine and the compressor are spinning in unison, so that's fine. But yeah, the turbo is junk. So let me change the actuator over and get to it.
whistle.